channel. My name is Arushi and in this video I'm gonna do anti-haul. Anti-haul basically means I'm gonna show you some brands or some products that I don't want to buy, or some of the brands or products that I will not be repurchasing. So there are a lot of reasons behind them, and also will be showing you some affordable alternatives so you can save lots of money and also secure yourself from fake promises. To my channel, then don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'm so near to 1k subscribers, so please help me reach there. I know you guys can do that, and if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share with all your friends. So yeah, let's finally get started. So the next brand that I want to talk about is Mamaearth. अब Mamaearth इतना हाइप ब्रांड है कि यूट्यूबर से लेके पब्लिक फिगर तक एंड जिसके अच्छे खासे सब्सक्राइबर हैं, चाहे वो ब्लॉगर हो, चाहे वो स्किन केयर, चाहे उसकी कोई भी नीश हो, they are sponsoring Mamaearth products. सो पर्टिकुलरली Mamaearth प्रोडक्ट ने मेरे स्किन पे कोई भी एडवांटेज नहीं किया है, एंड इसके प्राइसेस इतने ज्यादा हाई है, एंड प्लस द पैकेजिंग इज ऑफ प्लास्टिक, एंड इसको कंपनसेट करने के लिए इन्होंने एक टैगलाइन बना रखी है कि हम प्लास्टिक पॉजिटिव ब्रांड। एंड आजकल Mamaearth में विटामिन सी इन्फ्यूज प्रोडक्ट्स काफी ज्यादा चल रहे हैं इन हैशटैग #GottaSeeMyGlow. So they have serums, moisturizer and face wash and stuff, and I think the best alternative for Mamaearth as a brand is Good Vibes. Good Vibes जो है वो भी एक इंडियन ब्रांड है, and yeah, it is amazing. It has huge variety. The price range is really affordable. उसके एलो वेरा जेल, उसके फेस वॉशेस, उसके serums, they all are very affordable. I have used this product from Good Vibes. This is vitamin C and vitamin E, and I have completely finished it. There is no single drop product left, and I love this product. If you are looking for a vitamin C serum, I think you need to try this product. This just retails for 225 rupees, and you always get it. And I want to talk about is Lakme. Lakme जब इंडिया में स्टार्ट हुआ था तो it comes with really affordable products, but now with increasing launches, Lakme is increasing its price so much. अगर करीना कपूर खान Lakme की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है and you are paying her so much, that doesn't mean कि आप उसकी वसूली हमसे करोगे एंड अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइस जो है इतने ज्यादा इंक्रीज करोगे. एंड आई विल शो यू सम प्रोडक्ट दैट डजंट वर्थ दैट मच. इफ यू लुक एट दिस पेंसिल, दिस इज अ कलर लाइनर पेंसिल एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 800 rupees guys. A single pencil for 800 rupees of Lakme brand, which doesn't have that much of brand value. and एक palette है जिसमें काफी सारे bright colors है which can be used both as liners and eyeshadow. That retails for just 950 rupees, the whole palette. And here comes the Lakme with a pencil. It is asking you to pay 800 rupees. And in sale it says that we'll give you 50% off and you have to pay just 400 rupees. I mean, are you serious? 400 rupees for the eye pencil. If you're looking for any such pencils, then I think you should go for Wet n Wild color icon pencils. It doesn't have this much of huge variety, but you're gonna get some really good stuff here, like the white pencil, the brown pencil and the black, everything over there in really affordable price. It retails for somewhere around 135 rupees. 800 rupees for eye pencil, I'm never gonna pay. जो नेक्स्ट ब्रांड है जिसके बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ वो है Nykaa. सो Nykaa इनिशियली वॉज अ ऐप जो कि दूसरे ब्रांड्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता था एंड वहां से आप प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद सकते थे. बट लेटर एंड स्लोली दे लॉन्च देयर ओन प्रोडक्ट्स. इट वाज ओके टू लॉन्च देयर ओन प्रोडक्ट्स, बट द price range of Nykaa is so much. I mean, it doesn't even have a brand name, but Nykaa was not that. It has literally grown up now, and the price range of every single product from foundation to lipstick is so high. I don't know why the prices are so high. If you look at this lippy over here from Nykaa, this retails for I think 800 rupees, and the same lippy if you see in NYX, it retails for 600 rupees, whereas NYX is a very old and renowned brand. So I think if you are looking for a affordable alternative brand for Nykaa, then you must go for Maybelline and Wet n Wild. Maybelline and Wet n Wild has a huge huge variety and the products are really affordable and it literally works. Quickly announce the winner of the giveaway I did last time. So there were so many comments I received, and with each increasing comment I was getting anxiety and overwhelming at the same time. I just thought like there is just one giveaway and there are so many comments. I was so confused, and finally I decided to go for a random comment picker because you all guys are same for me, and I wish I can do multiple giveaways in the future so that like many of you get chance to. Is Rosie D'Souza. So girl, you win this giveaway, and yeah, congratulations so much. Whoever participated in this giveaway, thank you so much for the love and support you show me. And मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अपनी जीमेल आईडी डाल दूंगी, तो जैसे ही आप ये वीडियो देखेंगे आप मुझे मेल करके अपने डिटेल्स बता देना. जो भी पैकेज होगा वो आपके घर में डिलीवरी हो जाएगा. एंड अगेन आपको एक सरप्राइज भी मिलेगा कि मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि आपका फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट क्या है, तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने कमेंट किया. सो द विनर ऑफ दिस गिव अवे कमेंटेड कि उनका फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट मेबेलिन गोल्ड जो कलेक्शन था उसमें से बेरी बॉसी था. तो आपको वो प्रोडक्ट में मिलेगा एज अ सरप्राइज गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ, विच डजंट रिमेन सरप्राइज एट ऑल. सो या इसीलिए मैंने आपको पूछा था कि आपका फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट इस हॉल में से क्या है. सो या that was the giveaway. Don't get disheartened. I will be having so much giveaways in the future. So the next brand that I want to talk about is Evan. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I have seen so many of the YouTubers and influencers talking about it. So I thought, why shouldn't I give it a shot and make my opinion about it? So I go to the Nykaa app and search Evan. So the first thing that popped up was even use it as a body wash. I mean, it was a cleanser. So the price was there 870 rupees. So I thought the biggest packaging would be retail for like 870 rupees. I opened that and I was shocked to see that the 100 ml of cleanser is for like 870 rupees. I was so thrilled. Like I mean, like to clean my face I need to spend 870 rupees, and I think it has salicylic acid. Guys, people are fooling, like this market and branding are fooling us in the name of salicylic acid. Any face wash like just retails for 60 or 100 rupees, which has 2% of salicylic acid, work as the same if it is retail for 870 rupees. So if you want me to give you any recommendation, then I would like to recommend you this face wash. This is Kaya Purifying Cleanser. Now Kaya as a brand is really amazing and it is quite affordable. It is pure cleansing for oily and combination skin. It also has salicylic acid. It retails just for 150 rupees and it is very gentle cleanser. So अगर आपको acne already है तो भी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, आपकी स्किन में बिल्कुल भी हार्श नहीं लगेगा. एंड इफ यू आर अदर स्किन टाइप देन उसमें भी काया क्लिनिक्स में बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. सो आपको ये डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना चाहिए. एंड आई मीन like to clean my face I'm gonna spend 870 rupees. Like, am I fool? I'm never gonna get that cleanser. The next brand that I want to talk about is Glam Glow. So the Glam Glow whole range is so much expensive, and I have read like lot of comments that it doesn't worth the money. But particularly I want to talk about this face mask over here. It retails for 720 rupees and it is one mask. Of course you can use it for once only. And to be honest guys, masks are something that are not a part of skincare routine. It has to be used once in a while. I completely understand that. But mask doesn't change the scenario of your face. Not something that's gonna show a drastic change on your face, like clean up the acne or reduce the hyperpigmentation. It is a product that you use once in a while to get a subtle glow or something for a limited period of time. So I'm not gonna spend 720 rupees for that. So the best affordable alternative that I have for you are the face sheet mask from Face Shop. They all retails for 100 rupees, and in some days there is also a offer called buy 7 if you are like at 1400 rupees, then you only need to pay 700 rupees. Of course you can try like each mask for 100 rupees. So yeah, the last product is this Glam Glow mask over here. I'm never gonna buy it. that retails for 720. So guys, that was the anti haul I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and make an opinion about all these brands and like the best affordable alternatives that I show you. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share with all your friends. Comment down below what was your favorite products and what do you think about the products and the brand. If you have any anti haul brand or product, then do let me know in the comment box. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.